'59 is back on the pan. It's pretty nuts to see this car all. It was nuts to see it on the rotisserie, but to see it actually on a chassis now with an engine, and it's pretty awesome.
It's a big day today. It's been apart for many years, so still got a ways to go with the assembly, but that should go pretty quick.
Working on Larry's '59 finish work. He's trusting me to do this. He's not even here right now. He's a very trusting friend.
Yeah, Jay, f that up. There we go.
I'm having so much fun putting this car together with Lair. I did the engine seal off camera. That was a learning curve. Dropped the screw once already. Let's not do that again. So we're working on the wiring harness using 2 pieces of wire, starting with the dome light, and then we'll continue to run the main harness. That's what we're working on now.
Should be getting close.
Oh yeah, I got tape.
You got tape? You got enough wire there?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Engine seals are in. Tar boards are in. We're just drilling holes now for the sunroof vent tubes.
Cover the seats this weekend, I think. The wife and I already did the headliner and the sunroof. Everything here is, I have everything here for it.
I wasn't here for the headliner, but I did install the noise pads. That was the most difficult installation. I let you guys handle the easy stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's just crazy. I still have that front end vision in my head when it came out of the tent.
Yeah. My vision is when it was on the trailer in your yard.
Oh, you could see it. Yeah.
A chance to look at it.
Yeah.
This was all to go on.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yep. And I waved to it and thought, well,
you said good luck, sir.
Yeah, I just thought at least he paid rooftop clip pricing when the wife freaked out that he brought this jalopy home. He could easily sell it, and here we are. It's all back in
Yeah, we don't
one
do that.
piece.
We try to save them if we can. If I did my job right and got the heater channels in right, we should be able to get all the bolts in.
Oh, for the pan, okay.
So we're gonna put our bolts in next.
All right.
And then we'll get the door bars off. I usually install these when something's in a rotisserie, more so a convertible than a sedan, but because this is a sunroof, I wanted to put the door bars in.
But you leave your doors on when doing...
When you're doing your metal work and all that, yeah, you want always the bracing on the inside of the car, not out here.
Always leave your doors on.
Yeah. Even through body work, you have to do your body work with the doors on. Until you got some support and all that welded in it, and then you can pull them off. I don't think it'd be too bad.
Those are the bigger ones. I thought you said you didn't get the bigger ones.
No, it's like a 2-inch.
I love the paint though.
I mean, I hate white walls, but the birth certificate said this car had white walls.
Yeah,
so
I'm not a fan of them either, but
No,
show them the, so you got the outer matches.
Yep, so the outer is that blue-gray. So the car's fjord blue, and the interior sunroof and the outer wheel rim would have been blue-gray, they call it, so.
That's such a nice color too. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna pop, man.
Yeah, so we got our insulation is in, our tubes. I pre-wired the car before we mounted it on the pan. It was a lot easier for us to do it that way. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the body pan bolts in, and they should line up. Put it on your fingers. This is what you do when you do the jigs and line everything up.
Don't forget to follow Larry on YouTube.
That's right, I got my own channel now. Larry's Garage. And you can follow me on Instagram too.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is.
It's 5150 MXVW.
VW, yeah. It's just. Okay. This one's for CT. I don't know. Would he laugh at something like
He
that?
would laugh at that, yeah. CT, baby. Stand by.
Woo! Woo! Hey guys. All right. I have a shim that goes in here. I gotta get the shim out.
Yikes.
Yikes. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, my boss is here.
Hello there.
Hey.
Watch out, moonlighting. Clean the paint out of there. I guess sometimes you have to tighten and loosen these multiple times to get the door fit. You want to do this?
Go ahead.
Want to keep going?
Yeah.
All right. I was gonna go get my stuff together first.
I don't trust myself with those.
You know?
I was the cross-thread king at a young age, so I could booger those up in an instant.
Yeah, so the inside ones are good because I probably already did them and they don't have any paint on them. It's all about the feel. Okay, come at me carefully. Can you see that top hinge?
Yeah.
Okay, just walk yourself in. It's caught. Just tap it now. Oh, okay, there we go. A little more right there. Just get these in place for now. Ooh! The bottom hinge has to go in a little more, but other than that, I think we're a little tight up here, but we can get that out with the hinge adjustment and release. It fits. Body line's good. We just got to get it to do one of these. It might change a little bit once we get all the glass and all that in it too. It might weight it a little more. But we're gonna kick this bottom, slide that bottom hinge in, and it'll pull the bottom of this in. And then you gotta put the latch in too. That'll do it. You see that?
Yeah, it looks better with that one adjustment.
Right. Yep. That gets me in the ballpark.
50, it's a 59?
Yep.
And you own this, you bought this car what year?
95.
95. How long has it been in here?
12 years.
12 years.
And it's been at one of my other houses. It was there from 95 to when we moved here 12 years ago.
Watch out for that. Hey guys, thanks for checking out a quick update video on Larry's 59 restoration. I had a great time down there last week, giving Larry a hand, putting that 59 together. That paint is just, you gotta see it. You gotta see it. I can't wait. We're gonna be getting the hood on, the deck lid. We did get both doors on. Larry's putting in the glass. His wife and Larry will be finishing the interior. She did a great job on the headliner. That car is really coming together. So really been looking forward to seeing that, and it's happening. And I've actually been a part of it. So it's been awesome. So thank you, Larry, for allowing me to actually work on that car some more. That's Jen probably coming home from Key West. What do I do when Jen's in Key West? Bring home stuff. So more junkyard rescues to come. Stick around, those will be out next week. But thank you for checking out Larry's 59. More soon on that car and more on the rescues. Thanks for dropping in, guys. Take care. Weather's breaking. It's rescue time.